hope you all are doing great and living a healthy life. This is Darshana and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So before starting with today's video, I wanted to say sorry to you guys because I was not uploading any long videos. I was uploading shorts on a day-to-day basis because I was shooting reels. मैं रील्स ही अपलोड कर रही हूँ अभी इंस्टाग्राम पे एंड मैं वही अपलोड कर रही थी यूट्यूब पे भी. सो द थिंग इज़ दैट वी ऑल नो दैट द कोरोना पैंडमिक इज बैक एंड so due to this ongoing situation I was not mentally prepared to shoot any long videos. Like I was just shooting the reels, the short videos. From past 1 week I am shooting regularly. I just made my mind that I'm going to get ready daily and will shoot anything, like it could be a picture, just a single photo, just a single selfie, just like a reel, a single reel, anything it could be. But I am going to get ready. I'm going to do my makeup, I'm going to do my hairstyle, and I'm going to dress up, and I'm going to shoot anything. Like if I'm going to shoot for half an hour, I'm going to do that. So yeah, that was my plan, and I think this has helped me out. So yeah, after 1 week, it's Sunday today. मैं लास्ट सैटरडे से शूट करना स्टार्ट की हूँ एंड इट्स संडे टुडे एंड आई एम फाइनली प्रिपेयर्ड, मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड टू शूट लॉन्ग वीडियोज. And yeah, here I am. So in today's video I'm going to talk about that one product which has changed my life. And to be honest, मुझे ऐसा लगा नहीं था कि ये प्रोडक्ट मेरे लिए ऐसे काम करेगा, इतने अच्छे से काम करेगा. द प्रोडक्ट हैड वर्कड ब्यूटिफुली फॉर मी एंड सो हियर आई एम विद द प्रोडक्ट रिव्यू. So when I was not shooting at all, I was just spending my time with clothes and my TV and products and the साफ सफाई में. And I was testing out few products, and जो products मेरे लिए अच्छे से work किए मैं उनको regular basis पे start कर दी use करना. And guess what? There is that one product which I used every day, like every single day. होली के बाद से I am using that one product and I'm not getting my pimples now. My skin just has scars and nothing else. एक भी पिंपल नहीं चेहरे पे. So if you guys remember, I was packing quite a lot and मेरे यहाँ पे सब pimples हो गया था. Alright, so the product that I'm talking about is a skincare product, you all know now, and this is from this brand Clovia Botanique. So if you know that Clovia is a very old brand, Clovia is a very old brand, and they have a huge collection of undergarments, nightwears, and all of those stuff. And I just love their t-shirt dresses, and I'm so excited to tell you guys that Clovia has came up with a new launch, and they have launched their skincare product with a new brand name. So Clovia अब अलग है. Clovia पे undergarments and nightwears हैं, clothing mainly clothing है Clovia पे, and Clovia Botanica पे सारे products हैं. So I have tested out their one product, and oh my god, the product is so amazing. Like it's so good. So starting off with the package, this is how the package looks like. It is in the pinkish form. Just love the color. It's so cute. And ये Clovia की packaging है. इसमें Clovia Botanica इस पे कुछ नहीं लिखा है ऐसा. So yeah, it is their undergarments and nightwears वाला packaging, and I think they would be upgrading their the packaging of Clovia Botanica. And yeah, I just hope they are going to update that. But yeah, I just love their packaging. So talking about the product which came inside this package, this is their product. This is Clovia Botanica anti-acne face wash with lemon and vitamin E for clear acne free skin. So this is how the product looks like. This is in the pump form, which is the first thing I liked about this product. So I just love the product. It's very gentle to your skin, and this is free from all toxins, sulfates and parabens. So it is filled with Ayurvedic goodness, and so I love the product. And it is very gentle to your face. When you use this on your face, it just feels like you are using a very mild face wash, and it deeply cleanses the skin, like the pores it deeply cleanses, and it doesn't leave your skin dry like the other market face washes, those branded high brand face washes. When you wash your face with them, they just leave your skin very dry. But with this product ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It's so natural. It's Ayurvedic, and the ingredients is just everything. Like the ingredients, जो इसमें ingredients है, that is attracting me. So I'm going to read out some of the ingredients. The first ingredient is lemon, then this has vitamin E, then इसमें orange extract है, basil extract, purified water, glycerin, and I just love the way how this product has worked for my skin. This is the anti-acne face wash, and every time I have used those face wash, I feel like जब भी मैं उसको फेस वॉश यूज़ करती हूँ तब के लिए से मेरे पिंपल्स बंद हो जाते हैं, बट अगेन आफ्टर 2-3 days आई स्टार्ट गेटिंग द पिंपल्स अगेन. मैंने इसको 2-3 दिन के लिए स्किप किया एंड मेरे पिंपल्स नहीं आए. So I wash my face and neck with this face wash 2 times a day, in morning and in night. And every time I use this face wash, my skin feels so fresh. It is just like the other face wash. Wash your face and neck with this. Gently work up with a lather in circular motions and just wash it off and pat dry. And you will actually feel that your skin is glowing and you are feeling very fresh. So yeah, this is how the product is. Talking about the whole product, here's the whole product. I've shared the whole review. I just love the product and I would give it a big thumbs up to this product, and I'm looking forward to try out their few more products of the same range, the anti-acne range. And I think I'm gonna purchase their face mask, the anti-acne face mask, because that is one product which is attracting me. Like मैं बस सीधा खींची चली जा रही हूँ कि मुझे उसको try करना है. So yeah, after this all situation is over, I'm going to order that. And yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and comment down what would you like to see next. And yeah, that's it. We'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye.